In this video, we will see how to make money on Pinterest. Let's get started. Pinterest is an American image sharing and social media service designed to enable the saving and discovery of information like recipes, home, style, motivation, and inspiration on the internet using images and, on a smaller scale, animated GIFs and videos in the form of pinboards. If your target customers are on Pinterest, they're likely ready to buy. According to demographic data from Pinterest, 45% of adults in the US with a household income over $100,000 per year are active on the platform. Additionally, 83% of Pinterest users make purchases based on what they see on the platform. Let's see how we can earn money from Pinterest. E-commerce businesses. If you sell products online, one of the simplest ways to drive more sales is to pin your product pages directly to Pinterest. Creating pins that are linked directly to your online shop can generate meaningful traffic when paired with the keywords your ideal customers are searching for. Before you start sharing your products on Pinterest, make sure you've enabled Rich Pins, which syncs the latest information from your website into any pins created from your site. Product-rich pins are able to pull the most up-to-date price, inventory, and product description from your website, so you don't need to worry about manually updating existing pins. Rich pins are free to use and only require adding a bit of code to your website. New websites requesting rich pins are typically approved within 24 hours. Affiliate partnerships. Affiliate marketing is popular for marketers and entrepreneurs looking to build passive income. As an affiliate, you can receive a commission anytime someone makes a purchase from your unique link to a product or service. To leverage Pinterest for your affiliate marketing efforts, consider creating pins that link directly to your affiliate links or to blog posts or YouTube videos that incorporate your affiliate links. By sharing your affiliate links on Pinterest, they can be found by anyone searching for that particular product, earning you a commission if they make a purchase. Blogging website. Whether you rely on web traffic for advertising revenue or as part of an inbound marketing approach, you can incorporate Pinterest into your traffic building strategy to drive revenue. Ranking for keywords on Google can be a complex, time-consuming endeavor. However, ranking for keywords on Pinterest can be more straightforward and can lead to meaningful traffic gains. According to Pinterest, 85% of users turn to Pinterest to start a new project or learn something new. If you're creating helpful content that aligns with the keywords your potential audience is searching for, you can potentially capture some of this search traffic through Pinterest. Pinterest Creator Fund. In 2021, Pinterest launched the Creator Fund to help creators grow and monetize their content on the platform. These cohorts open quarterly and participants have access to unique brand partnerships and tools and resources from the Pinterest team to help them grow their reach. This year, Pinterest announced an expansion of the program's fund to support a wider range of creators. Create sponsored content. Pinterest can be a lucrative space for influencer marketing. Content creators can work with brands to create sponsored content specifically for Pinterest or can negotiate a higher rate for sharing their sponsored blog and social content from other platforms with their Pinterest audience as well. Manage Pinterest accounts for other businesses. If you have the skills to manage and grow a Pinterest account, consider lending your services to other businesses. Many busy entrepreneurs don't have time to manage their own Pinterest accounts despite the benefits of remaining active on the platform. In this role, you could develop a Pinterest strategy for your clients' primary business objectives, such as growing web traffic or increasing conversions of shoppable pins, do keyword research to determine what their audience is searching for, and create and upload pins to their account. It helps to have demonstrated experience in this area. Try creating a portfolio outlining the results you've gotten from growing your own or other businesses' Pinterest accounts to share with potential clients. Showcase your products with video content. Idea pins are multi-page video posts that are quickly gaining popularity on Pinterest. Though idea pins can't link directly to web pages like standard pins can, users can tag specific products featured in their idea pins to make them shoppable. Cosmetics company Fenty Beauty frequently features video tutorials on Pinterest to promote key products. Users can tag products using affiliate links, and merchants can tag products from their own businesses to drive sales. By sharing idea pins that feature video clips of your products in action, you can help expose new buyers to the features of your products. With over 400 million users who are looking for inspiration and are ready to buy, incorporating Pinterest into your business strategy is a great way to engage with your audience and drive potential revenue. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.